everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp welcome message to new kid subscribers automatically. So I am a manager in an e-learning business and I use Kit to manage all the students' data who purchases any of the courses that we sell. Over here what I want is that as soon as any of the student is added as subscriber in my Kit account, towards the student I want to send a welcome message on WhatsApp. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming process. So to solve this problem, I've built a connection between Kit and WhatsApp without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So over here now, whenever a new subscriber is going to be added in my Kit account, automatically towards the subscriber, a welcome message is going to be forwarded using WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want, you can use Interact via your Pabbly chat flow to send and manage your WhatsApp conversations in your business as well. So now if you want to learn the entire process step by step, I'm going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as a manager in an e-learning business, I use Kit to add the data of the students who have enrolled to the courses that we sell. And I use WhatsApp to automatically send a friendly welcome message to every new subscriber. This helps me stay connected with them instantly, build trust and guide them on what to expect next. Okay? And I'm going to build the connection between Kit and WhatsApp without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing automation will work in real time. I'm going to create a new subscriber in my Kit account, and after that I'm going to check whether automatically I receive a new WhatsApp message or not. Okay? So over here through this form, I will add the subscriber. For the first name over here, I'm going to write it as demo. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as account 77. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as demoaccount77@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number and click on this subscribe button right here. It says success. That means now a new subscriber has been added in my Kit account. So if I'm going to open the subscribers dashboard in my Kit account right here, you can see over here a new subscriber in the name of demoaccount77@pabblytudes.com has been successfully added in my Kit account. Okay, so as now the subscriber has been added, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new message or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, you can see right over here in my WhatsApp, I have received a message. Hi, demo account 77. This was the subscriber's name. Thank you for signing up. I'm excited to have you as a part of Learn Smart Academy community. You can see this WhatsApp message is automatically forwarded as a new subscriber has been created in my Kit account. So this is how this amazing automation will work in real time, and we're going to build a connection between Kit and WhatsApp Cloud API using Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After browsing the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you, where you will find two options, that is sign in or sign up for free. Before we create this amazing automation, I want to tell you about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you will find real-time updates about Pabbly. Over here in the space, you can ask questions, share feedback. You will find help not just from our team members but also the fellow other users. Over here you can share your feedback as well and find automation tips. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description box below. Now you have two options on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Connect account. Then you will find the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you, where you will find all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So for that, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right here, and then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation in Pabbly Connect, we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says Create Workflow, where you will find two options to build the workflow. One is the new beta method, other one is the old classic method. I am going to create this amazing workflow using the old classic method from here. Firstly, we have to rename our workflow. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to write it as Send WhatsApp welcome message to new Kit subscribers automatically. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select workflows folder, and then simply I'm going to click on the create button. And as soon as we're going to do that, automatically a workflow is going to be created, where you will find two windows in front of you. One is the trigger window, Other one is the action window. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up a trigger step first, in which my trigger application, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to select over here as Kit. As soon as a new subscriber has been added in my Kit account, I want the trigger should capture the response of that. That is why for my trigger application, I've selected over here as Kit, and the trigger event is going to be new subscriber. And as soon as I'm going to do that, you can see right over here, it says connect. I'm going to click on this button. Then this window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection. Then it is asking for the API key and the secret. To have both of the details, log into your Kit account, go to this profile section and go to the settings section right here. After coming to settings, scroll down and go to the developer option right here, where you will find the key, API key and the secret. So I'm going to first copy the API key from here and paste it over here in this field. Then for the secret, I'm going to copy this. First, I'm going to reveal this secret, copy it from here and paste this over here in this field. And click on the save button right here. Kit is connected to Pabbly Connect, and then after that I'm going to simply click on the save and send test request button to capture the response of the new subscriber, okay? And as soon as I'm going to do that, it says waiting for response, okay? So now what we're going to do, we are going to check whether Kit is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not. For that, I'm going to create a new subscriber in my Kit account. And how am I going to do that? By doing the form submission using which the subscriber has been created. Okay, so this is the form that is integrated, that is going to automatically create a subscriber in my Kit account. Okay, so now let us do the form submission. For the first name of my subscriber, let's suppose I'm going to write over here as best. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as lead. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as best@pabblytudes.com. Okay, then it is asking for the phone number, for which I'm going to add in a mobile number right here. So I've added all the subscriber details and click on this subscribe button. It says success. That means the subscriber is created. If I'm going to go towards my Kit subscribers page and refresh it from here, you can see automatically subscriber in the name of best and the email address in the name of best@pabblytudes.com is now been successfully created in my Kit account. If I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, you can see the response of the subscriber has been also captured in my trigger. First name best, last name lead, email is best@pabblytudes.com. The mobile number with all the other details like the subscriber's ID, date and time of the subscription been done, and also the status inactive right now. Okay, so as now the response of the subscriber has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that Kit is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is now been successfully done. Okay, now whenever a new subscriber is going to be added in my Kit account, automatically the trigger Kit new subscriber is going to capture the response. As now we have the subscriber's data, towards the subscriber we are going to send a WhatsApp message using WhatsApp Cloud API message template that I've created. Yes, using WhatsApp Cloud API I've created this message template, you can see right over here. Okay, and if I'm going to open the edit page of this template that I've created, you can see in the template I've added a variable. Okay, you can see this 2 curly brackets, 1 and end of the 2 curly brackets. These 2 curly brackets, the opening and the ending, makes this a variable. The variable is for the subscriber's name. In place of this variable, the subscriber's name, I'm going to add the subscriber name to make this message a personalized welcome message. Okay, and using this template we are going to send the WhatsApp message. So now for that we're going to set up our action step, in which from action application over here I'm going to select it as WhatsApp Cloud API as my action application, and action event is going to be send message template new, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. This window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection. Then you can see it is asking for the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Using the details, we're going to build the connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. To have the details, go to this learn more section right here in the help desk, and as you go to do that, you land towards the Pabbly forum page. If I'm going to scroll down, you can see right over here we have 2 videos. First video is to learn how you can complete the setup of WhatsApp Cloud API step by step inside Pabbly Connect, using which you will learn how you can create this setup inside your WhatsApp Cloud API account. Okay, and the next one is to generate a permanent token. You can see in the setup we have received the token, but this is a temporary token, you can see right here. In place of this temporary token, if you want to generate a permanent token, you can learn it from this video. Okay, I've already created a setup, so I'm going to open it. it, I'm going to copy all these details from here and paste it over here in this field and the WhatsApp account ID. I'm going to paste it, okay? And simply I'm going to click on this save button right here. As I've done that, WhatsApp Cloud API has now been connected. Firstly, it is asking for the receiver, that is a phone number to whom we want to send a WhatsApp message to. So now for the data of this field, I'm going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How it works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, the previous step is going to appear. As I'm going to click on it, the response that was captured in our previous step is going to appear. It is asking for the phone number of my subscriber. So for the data of this receiver's phone number, I'm going to select the data of the phone number of my subscriber from my previous response, as I want to send a message towards this subscriber that has been created. As I have selected the data from my previous response, this data has now been mapped, and as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. For the template ID, I'm going to select the template that I've created in the name of new kit subscriber. Okay, so I've selected the template ID from the drop down. Language code, my language code of the template is EN because my template is created in the language that is English. Okay, so the language code is going to be EN. It is asking for the template name, so I've selected the same template name. My template doesn't have any header, so I'm going to select the answer over here as no. Header type, I don't have any header type, so I'm going to toggle this map button on and erase the existing data from here because it was mentioned over here to follow. Then it is asking for all these details which I do not want, so I'm going to skip the part. It says template has a body. Yes, my template do have a body. You can see this is the entire body. So for this, I'm going to select the answer as yes. And this is the variable that I've added in this template, the subscriber's name. And we'll add the value of the subscribers, the variable over here in this field. For the name, I'm going to map the data, first name space the last name. Okay. After that, it says template has a button. No. Template type is going to be no as well. And simply, we are going to click on the save and send test request button. But before that, I want to tell you one thing. I have created a dummy subscriber. So you can see this mobile number is also a dummy mobile number. A WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded towards this dummy mobile number. So in place of this dummy number, I am going to enter my mobile number. Remember, this is just for the testing, okay, to check whether this workflow is successfully working or not. You have to enter your lead's mobile number only, not your mobile number, okay? So I'm going to enter my mobile number right here. After entering, simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right here. As I've done that, I have received a response, which is a positive response. If I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and yes, you can see on my WhatsApp, the message is forwarded. Hi, best lead. Thank you for signing up. You can see this is the name of my subscriber that has been added over here in my kit account. You can see right over here. It says, and this is the exact same template. I'm excited to have you as a part of Learn Smart Academy community. You can see this is the same template that we have created using WhatsApp Cloud API has been forwarded to us as a WhatsApp message. Okay. So as a message has now been successfully forwarded, this means that Kit is connected to WhatsApp without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So now as I've completed this entire process, if you have any questions or doubts, you can comment down below and ask your questions, and we are going to reply to every single query of yours. Now we are going to sum up this entire process. The trigger is Kit new subscriber. As soon as a new subscriber is going to be added in my Kit account, this trigger is going to capture the response of that. Action is WhatsApp Cloud API send template message. Using WhatsApp Cloud API towards a subscriber, a welcome message is going to be forwarded on their WhatsApp. Okay, and in this manner I've built a connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.